Watch out, nah.
My face stuff.
You're shitting me, bruh. Oh my gosh. 85% from field goal right now. Yeah, I'm done. You think you might have got that, bro? Alright.
Ridiculous.
He knows how to use Kevin Durant now. I can't do anything about it. When it's Kevin Durant, you can't really do anything
It's
about
Kevin
it.
Durant.
You're telling me like I'm not playing good defense?
Might just take Daddy off of his.
I can't believe this right
It's a
now.
big shot.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Jeez.
Yes, I am.
It's the Team USA shit, bro.
Yes, I am a
And
big
I'm not
shot.
making that? I was about to
Yes,
say.
I am. Yes, I am.
Niggas like overhype their versions for no reason. I'm telling you, it just happened to me, bro. I don't give him the reaction because Daddy will overreact to himself. That's why I was kind of quiet. But I was very pissed off. What, Mom?
Unbelievable, bro. I've
Silly.
never have gotten beat like this with a damn Team USA.
The Team USA, bro. The best part about it, though, is you're only in this third, you're down 14.
Right?
Like, it's more than this. The dumbass Kevin Durant. I was like, alright. He's just in all games, he'll get tired. Nope.
This nigga has all of their points, bro. Maybe 5 less.
That's an email Ryan today. So I know she gave Kevin around a Team USA the Infinity Stone. This nigga's out here like Thanos.
His name's Thanos.